Hi Mike, my name is Josh Van Zanten with E.C.D. I just want to show you how to do this top here. So if you have any questions, you can always call us, but here's just a short video. So to put the top up with the boot here, so we're going to undo the snaps, undo it from the top here. Going to walk around, Mike. There's a little Velcro on the bottom here. So you can put this aside. Then what we're going to do is we're going to lift in the center is the easiest, and then bring it down. Then while this is still loose, then we can put these snaps on. The center one here. Then there's a little Velcro strip here. To go. There's three. Put the seats back, and then there's three tie downs here. One there. One in the middle. We line those up. And then after we have that done, Mike, line all these up. Put these in. And then we do that, Mike. Put each one of these on. And then once that's done, we put the visors up. And then basically seats back. Put your seat belts over the seats, and then you're good to go. So now what I'm going to show you is basically going back. So basically we would undo this, visors down. Want to undo the snaps. Seats forward, Mike. So make sure you put the seats forward. Snaps. Okay. Make sure these are all undone. We're going to the glass go. And then the Velcro kind of comes undone. And then you kind of just go down. Go like that, Mike. Make sure that's all the way down. And then we'll put the little boot cover back on. Lay that out. It's always a good thing to, if you can do it while it's sunny, it makes it a lot easier, because it's a lot easier to for the top. And the more and more you do it, the easier to get. There's a little Velcro strip in here. It goes around. And we put our snaps back. Put all of our snaps, Mike. Make sure it's down. So these are good. Basically, seats back. So you're good, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, just let us know.